So a lot of you have been asking me to do a video on how to make face base cream, and today I'm going to show you this very moisturizing face whitening base cream that you can use to pro-mix any kind of cream that you want to make for the face. This cream is good for the dry season, it's good for any season, it's good for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and so many other kinds of skin types. So if you like to see how I made this very simple and quick product, you definitely want to watch this video till the end. And if you like to join our training, use the link in the description bar to join our training. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Select Kalio. On this channel we do skincare DIY recipes. I show you how you can make simple recipes to help you achieve a flawless skin. I do skincare product reviews and so many other kinds of videos that are beneficial to you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a face-based cream because a lot of you have been asking for that. And this face-based cream will help with moisturizing the skin. It is good for pro-mixing any kind of face cream that you want to make, be it anti-aging, be it whitening, whatever kind of cream you want to make, you can use this base to make it. And today I'm going to list all the ingredients and all the recipe down in the description bar. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you thumbs up this video and leave me your comments in the comment section. Now, our first training for 2021 will start on the 25th of January. But before the training, as far as you have registered or you have subscribed to the training tier, you're going to get recipes from the 1st of January till the end of January. So if you haven't subscribed and you want to take your skincare formulation business to the next level, you definitely want to pause what you're doing right now, check the description bar, and subscribe to my Patreon account to join our upcoming training and get all the benefits that comes with that training. Now, I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I'm just going to leave you to watch what is going on, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, and Merry Christmas again and a Happy New Year in advance. I love you guys. Bye.